All right, quick introduction. Just worked out, have a few minutes. So we are going to attempt to fix this Kubota like I initially said, kind of show you what we're looking at here. Say hi, Paige.
Hi.
Okay, so this is the pulley. This is the pulley. It attaches just like that. And so it broke off right here. So it was spinning freely. And this has a belt right down there, which obviously comes off. It attaches to right here. The belt is from the motor for the drivetrain. That belt spins this, which in turn spins this belt on the bottom, turning all these blades. So this whole spot right here, which I'll show you the form where you order it online, it's over $500 for this right here. So we're gonna see if we can weld this on and save a lot of money. Awesome. Let's go. Okay, we're on minimum and feed speed, wire speed of 3. All right, seems to be taken. Let's continue it on here. There's a couple of spots, like right here and here, and right there. Well, I didn't quite connect them. I mean, there's this little gap. I don't know the vocabulary for that. Let me go back and just kind of touch those up a little bit. All right, I think it looks okay. Okay, one thing that I see right away is it's not perfectly level. You put this back on. I mean, there's just a slight kind of, you can see, but this isn't the correct belt, but the belt is the same size. You know, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. I think we'll be okay. Okay, it's a few days later. When you have 7 kids, you don't finish projects all at the same time. And I got another kid with me now. I have the belt put back on there. It's all reassembled. I'm gonna back it out and let's fire it up and see if the pulley holds. And if it does, we gotta mow that. It's not looking so hot out there. A little bit of a mess. All right, so we welded it. It's on there. I had the pulley system backwards a few times. I had the drive belt with the tensioner on the opposite side. It still had tension on it, but it was slipping off, and it just didn't seem right. So it took me a little bit. I found a diagram online of how the tensioner pulley is supposed to be the opposite direction. So we got it figured out. It turned on, PTO works, the blades are spinning. We just mowed some grass. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna mow a little grass. I'm gonna throw some music on here. You're gonna watch it and you're gonna enjoy it. All right, we mowed. Why didn't y'all tell me there was a rope right there? I just ran over a rope. Nothing else broke. Dude, we fixed it. We saved $500. I learned how to weld. I own a welder now. I know how to repair this deck. If there's a problem and it needs to be welded, chances are pretty good I can do it. Little dude was in here safe. Ways away, inside of another building. He was fine. Check it out. We're mowed. Thanks for watching. Oh, be a man. Weld it yourself. Fix it yourself. Figure out how to do it. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.